welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Avast Antivirus if you are struggling to uninstall the antivirus through Windows 10 apps and features. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. We now need to download the Avast clear.exe by clicking on this link here, and you now need to press save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to put the .exe file onto a USB stick or just put it somewhere else on your hard drive, and you then need to restart your computer into safe mode. Once you have restarted your Windows 10 computer into safe mode, you now need to run the Avast clear.exe. And as you can see, I'm not in safe mode, so it does say, do you want to restart into safe mode? But I'm actually going to go ahead and press no. But you would be in safe mode, which means you won't get this message pop up. It will now have the location of Avast. If this isn't where you installed Avast, then make sure you press change and then select the location of the program. But just be careful because it will delete everything permanently in that folder. And they have actually put that on their website, as you can see here. Be careful, the content of any folder you choose will be deleted. Once you are happy with everything here and selected which version of Avast you had, you can now go ahead and press uninstall. And you now need to press yes. And it's now uninstalling Avast from our computer. You now need to wait for this to finish, and once it has finished, you can go ahead and press restart computer and go back onto Windows 10, and Avast will be completely removed from your computer. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.